Hi guys, Jessica here, French Farmhouse Flair, and today I have a DIY project, but it is not my typical type of project I usually do, and it's not French or farmhouse, so this is going to be something a little bit different that I'm sharing with you today, but it is fall time and Halloween is just around the corner, so we are getting ready for that, and my son wanted to be Darth Vader this year, and we have been trying to find costumes that he would approve of and nothing was authentic looking enough, so he had the idea to try to make something ourselves, so that's what we're doing, and so we're going to explain what we've done so far. Alright guys, so Tristan, go ahead and show them what we've been doing here.
Okay, so basically, as you can see, we've done the belt, so we'll talk about that first. So what we did is that we basically looked at the belt, we cut out all the shapes, and then we did it by layer, and we glued them on. And then
using a hot glue gun.
Yeah, hot glue gun. And then the main cardboard piece, I just cut it out of a regular box. And then, as you can see, it's kind of really bendy right now because I kind of like made it more flexible. So that way it bends really good around your waist.
Okay, and then we also drilled holes on each end of the belt so that we could just tie it in the back, and then his cape will hide that anyways. And then go ahead and show me the other piece.
The next piece is the chest piece. That way it can't. The light's really bad in here because we're in the garage. So.
We're in the garage, guys. Sorry, it's been raining on and off all day, and it's really wet outside, so it's not very bright in the garage. But
yeah, if you can kind of see that, but
get it in the light here better, maybe. There we go. Let's see if we can get it. There, that's better.
So we did the same thing. We did 3 layers right here and here, and then we're just gonna spray paint it all black. And then just color each one afterwards after we paint all black. And then we just took a regular drill and just drilled some holes all the way through it.
And then we can tie that around to go around his neck and to be able to hang on his chest like Darth Vader. And so yeah, we just cut out the shapes and hot glued those on there again, guys. We're going to be spray painting all of it black in just a few minutes like Tristan said. And then we will go back and do the detailed painting on top.
So the next piece we got is the chest plate.
And yeah, and then it will tie.
We drilled some. Well, we just did some holes in the back, so that way we could tie it and adjust it to how we want it. And then it's easier to put on too. You can put it on your neck easier. So that's pretty much that. And then the last thing we have is the shin guards that I cut out.
And those will go down on his calf in the front and then tie around the back side.
And then we poke some holes in there so that way it'll bend around my leg.
And we just used a cardboard box, guys, for all of this.
Just one.
Yeah, just one box that we cut everything out of, and we will show you the end result, and of course we will show you what the costume looks like all on when Tristan has it all put together and he's wearing it. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. Hi guys, I just wanted to share with you the products that we used to do this homemade costume. We used a black Sharpie marker right here on the red paper that we glued down, and we just used red and blue paper and cut them down to size for the buttons, and as well as the green here. And then the pencil we used to color in the buttons here to make that more of just a dark gray color. And then the silver Sharpie marker we used is an oil-based paint marker in the metallic silver color. And we use that on all the silver areas that you see here. Okay guys, here it is. It's complete. Our costume is ready for Halloween. Here is Tristan as Darth Vader. Very cool. That's awesome. I'm just going to come in and give a closer up look of the finished product. Lift up your gloves, Darth Vader.